Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials: model compatibility, a charged battery, and a SIM with data. Insert the SIM into the tracker, then power it on. You should see network LEDs or a status tone. Next, configure the APN. Use the carrier's APN, username, and password. This lets the tracker reach Gprs. Once done, send the test SMS or use the maker's app to request location. If the tracker replies, you've completed the first actionable setup step. Now you configure where data goes. Enter your server IP, port, protocol, and unique device ID into the tracker via SMS or app. Make sure you choose reporting intervals that balance real-time needs versus battery life. Short intervals drain battery fast. Enable features like geofence alerts or SOS so events trigger immediately. Once configured, open your tracking server or cloud dashboard and watch the device stream coordinates, speed, and battery. If data appears with correct times, finish by performing a comprehensive field test. Walk or drive with the tracker, trigger SOS, and cross a geofence to confirm alerts. Observe delivery latency and accuracy. If you get no location, first confirm SIM credit and data, then recheck APN syntax and that the external antenna is seated. Also verify network compatibility. Many trackers only support 2G, which may be discontinued locally. Keep a saved copy of working SMS commands and enable OTA updates if supported, so future fixes are easier to deploy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.